going to Waterton.
We have this one. Okay, thank you. Red Rock. Red Rock. There's the washroom, solar washroom. Meron pang konting snow. Nice about the park, they're paved, some are gravel, paved too, so it's an easy hike. There's a gravel that way. Tignan natin dito sa
Yan, puntahan natin yung Black Keystone Falls, 1 kilometer only. Paglakan, malayo yung Black Keystone Valley. Malayo. Yeah, it looks like they had a forest fire here. Oh, look at that. Handa tayo sa forest fire. Nagkumpisa na nga eh, ano? 2-3 weeks ago, ang dami ng forest fire agad kasi it was a dry winter. Wala naman advisory lang ano dito, ano, bear sighting. They usually tell you, or they have a sign just outside the park. Safe tayo, safe. Are we halfway? Mas madali pabalik, pababa. Maganda dito, may mga new growth to. Yan. Yan, nagsisibulan uli yung mga poplar. Those are poplars. This one opened up. Meron din siyang trail for the horses. And there is the falls. $12 minutes walk. Maraming stop. Slow walk anyway. Pero yan ang parking. Let's go over here. This side. Parking 1, and there's, oh, this is parking 2. There's parking 1 down there somewhere. How clear the water is. What hotel is that? Anong hotel yan? Looking for it? That's a nice boat, eh? International. wanted a shoreline cruise, so it's $61.
Yeah, it's going to Montana.
Just so windy. At that hotel there, on top of the hill, that's Prince of Wales. Ang hangin dito, mas mahangin pa sa akin. Police speedboat. Where's the commander? What a view. I'm not sure if you're allowed to swim here, but let's go to the point. Black Bear. They have markings. Look, international border. United States. Okay, go to the Canadian side. Canada side. Diyan ka sa Canada side. Ako sa US side. US. United States. Okay. I'll meet you at Canada side. Here, Canada side. Oh, I cannot see Canada side. There it is. There's that. Yes, don't get confused. It's a unisex washroom. It's all toilet. There's no urinals, so you gotta go inside, and there's a lot of toilet. May duty ka hike yan. Mas mahirap yan. 1 to 1.5 hours walking, 2.4 kilometers return. But look at this, steep and slippery. I bet puro gravel. Oh, try natin. Try a little bit. But it's slippery. It looks like very slippery. Many steps. Another bench. Mayroong mga benches along the way. Wala pang halfway. Mataas-taas na rin. Matulas nga lang. Kuha ng gravel. Maraming benches along the way. Okay. Rest area. Tarik. Paano kaya nila dinala yan dyan, no? Taas, ano?
Yes.
This one. Steps na yan. All the way down. May parkingan. Are we... Ito kami galing. Parking. stairs yan.
Almost there.
Look at the view. Holy smoke. That is the view. And we're on top. It's just super windy and scary.
Mga bata nakakatakbo.